Beryllium is the fourth element in the periodic table, and it's the second lightest metal after lithium. It is an alkaline earth metal, joined by magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Beryllium melts at 2,349 degrees Fahrenheit. It boils at 4,476 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a density of 1.848 grams per cubic centimeter. Among elements that are solid under standard temperature and pressure, only lithium, potassium, sodium, calcium, rubidium, magnesium, and phosphorus are less dense. But wait, didn't I just say it was the second lightest metal? Yes, I did. When I say something is lighter or heavier than something else, that refers to its atomic weight. Its main and stable isotope, beryllium-9, has 4 protons, 4 electrons, and 5 neutrons, and each atom has an atomic mass of roughly 9.012. I don't want to get into the weeds too much here, so I'll move on, but its weight and its density are two different things. Beryllium is fairly hard with a Mohs hardness of 5.5. This is beryllium. It's quite a pretty metal in my opinion. It's one of the last elements I've obtained. Beryllium is difficult to work with, so making these cubes takes a bit of time. One of beryllium's main uses is as a source of neutrons in nuclear reactors. It's also used in alloys with metals such as copper and nickel, and things like electrical contacts and electrodes, as beryllium increases their thermal and electrical conductivity. It's also used in alloys in things like spacecraft, aircraft, satellites, and missiles. Beryllium is mostly transparent in X-rays, so it has some applications there as well. It has uses in physics due to its low atomic number. Tools are sometimes made out of beryllium because it is not magnetic, but this can get very expensive very quickly. Beryllium was once used in the production of fluorescent lighting tubes. This was discontinued, however, due to factory workers getting berylliosis. Speaking of which, beryllium is toxic, especially when beryllium powder is breathed in. Berylliosis is an incurable lung disease. Beryllium is safe to handle, but I wouldn't lick it like a lollipop. The mineral beryl has been known since ancient times, but beryllium itself wasn't discovered until 1798 and it wasn't isolated until 1828. Beryllium is pretty rare, as it is the 48th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, with about 2.8 parts per million. For something with such a low atomic number, beryllium is pretty exotic and not well known, so I hope you learned something about it. And I also hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Thank you very much.